Welcome to part 1 of our comprehensive series on quality management systems and good manufacturing practices in the pharmaceutical industry. In this module, we'll explore the fundamentals of quality management, documentation practices, global regulatory guidelines, and key GMP principles. Let's embark on this journey to ensure excellence and compliance in pharmaceutical production. We begin with the role of management in ensuring quality within a pharmaceutical organization. Management responsibility is the foundation of a robust quality management system. Key aspects include setting quality objectives. Management must define clear, measurable quality objectives that align with the company's goals and regulatory requirements. Resource allocation. Ensuring that sufficient resources, personnel, equipment, and materials are available to maintain and improve quality. Leadership commitment. Demonstrating a strong commitment to quality at all levels of the organization. Communication. Establishing effective communication channels to ensure that quality expectations are understood across the organization. Management's role is critical in fostering a culture of quality and ensuring that all operations adhere to established standards. Documentation is the backbone of GMP and QMS. Proper documentation practices ensure traceability, accountability, and compliance. Key components include good documentation practices, maintaining accurate, complete, and timely records that are legible and easily retrievable. Standard operating procedures, developing and adhering to SOPs that define every process, ensuring consistency and quality. Batch records. Documenting every step of the manufacturing process for each batch, including raw material usage, process parameters, and quality checks. Quality evaluation. Conducting rigorous testing and analysis of batch samples to ensure they meet predefined quality criteria. Batch release. The final step where the Quality Assurance Department reviews all documentation and testing results before approving the batch for release. Accurate documentation and thorough quality evaluation are essential for maintaining product quality and regulatory compliance. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is governed by various regulatory guidelines, each with specific requirements. Understanding these guidelines is crucial for global compliance. Key regulatory frameworks include Schedule M, India, focuses on the requirements for premises, equipment, and personnel to ensure drug quality and safety. WHO GMP. The World Health Organization's guidelines provide a global standard for manufacturing practices, emphasizing quality assurance, hygiene, and documentation. EU guidelines. The European Union's GMP guidelines are stringent, focusing on the entire life cycle of pharmaceutical products, from development to distribution. USFDA Guidelines. The United States Food and Drug Administration enforces rigorous GMP standards with a strong emphasis on quality systems, risk management, and documentation. Compliance with these guidelines ensures that pharmaceutical products meet international standards for quality and safety. Quality assurance, or QA, plays a pivotal role in maintaining product quality throughout the manufacturing process. The responsibilities of the QA department include process validation, which ensures that all manufacturing processes are validated and consistently produce products that meet quality standards. In-process controls involve monitoring critical process parameters and making adjustments as needed to maintain product quality. Documentation review is about verifying that all documentation is complete, accurate, and compliant with regulatory requirements. And finally, final product release, which authorizes the release of finished products only after thorough review and testing. The QA department acts as the guardian of quality, ensuring that every product that leaves the facility meets the highest standards. Batch reconciliation is a critical step in the manufacturing process, ensuring that all materials used are accounted for and that no discrepancies exist. This process includes material reconciliation, which verifies that the quantities of raw materials and packaging materials used match the quantities specified in the batch records. Yield calculations ensure that the actual yield of the batch aligns with expected yields, taking into account any acceptable losses. Finished goods release happens once reconciliation is complete and quality checks are passed, allowing the batch to be released for distribution. Batch reconciliation and the careful release of finished goods are essential for ensuring product integrity and traceability. Sanitization and hygiene are fundamental to preventing contamination and ensuring the safety of pharmaceutical products. Key practices include clean room protocols, which implement strict protocols for clean room entry, including gowning procedures and air showers. Sanitization procedures involve regularly cleaning and sanitizing equipment, surfaces, and facilities using validated cleaning agents. Personnel hygiene ensures that all personnel adhere to strict hygiene practices, including regular hand washing and the use of protective clothing. Maintaining a clean and hygienic environment is crucial for producing safe and effective pharmaceutical products. Even with rigorous quality controls, issues can arise. A well-structured system for handling complaints and product recalls is essential for protecting consumers and maintaining trust. This process includes complaint handling, investigating customer complaints promptly and thoroughly to identify the root cause of the issue. Product recall, implementing a swift and efficient recall process to remove defective products from the market. Corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA, taking corrective actions to address the issue and implementing preventive measures to avoid recurrence. Effective complaint handling and recall procedures are vital for safeguarding public health and maintaining regulatory compliance. Contract production and analysis involve outsourcing certain manufacturing and testing processes to third-party organizations. It's crucial to ensure that these partners adhere to the same quality standards as your own facility. This includes vendor qualification, carefully selecting contract partners who meet regulatory and quality requirements. Quality agreements, establishing clear quality agreements that define the roles, responsibilities, and expectations of both parties. Regular audits, conducting regular audits of contract facilities to ensure compliance with GMP and quality standards. Data integrity, ensuring that all data generated by contract partners is accurate, complete, and reliable. By maintaining strict oversight of contract production and analysis, you can ensure that outsourced processes meet the same high standards as in-house operations. Self-inspection and quality audits are essential tools for maintaining continuous compliance with GMP and QMS. These processes include self-inspections, conducting regular internal audits to assess compliance with SOPs, GMP, and QMS requirements. External audits, preparing for and responding to audits conducted by regulatory agencies and third-party auditors. Corrective actions, addressing any non-conformances identified during audits and implementing corrective actions. Continuous improvement, using audit findings to drive continuous improvement in processes and systems. Regular audits help identify potential issues before they become problems, ensuring ongoing compliance and quality. Training is the cornerstone of an effective quality management system. Well-trained personnel are essential for maintaining quality and compliance. Key aspects of training include induction training, providing comprehensive training for new employees on GMP, SOPs, and company policies. Ongoing training, regularly updating staff on new regulations, procedures, and technologies. Competency assessment, evaluating the effectiveness of training through assessments and practical evaluations. Documentation, maintaining records of all training activities and certifications to ensure traceability and compliance. A well-trained workforce is the foundation of a successful pharmaceutical operation. Maintaining high standards of personal hygiene, as well as the proper management of premises, equipment, and materials, is crucial for preventing contamination and ensuring product quality. This includes personal hygiene, ensuring that all personnel follow strict hygiene practices, including the use of protective clothing and regular hand washing. Premises management, keeping facilities clean, organized, and well maintained to prevent contamination. Equipment maintenance, regularly inspecting and maintaining equipment to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. Material handling, properly storing and handling raw materials, intermediates, and finished products to prevent contamination and degradation. Adherence to these practices is essential for ensuring the safety and quality of pharmaceutical products. In this module, we've covered the key aspects of quality management systems and good manufacturing practices, from management responsibility and documentation to global guidelines, quality assurance, and the critical role of hygiene and training. Understanding and implementing these principles is essential for maintaining the highest standards of quality and compliance in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Thank you for your dedication to quality, and we look forward to seeing you in the next module. See you next time.